Hello, all of you, and welcome to GEG Pune and Ahmedabad Saturday session that we always have a professional development for our teachers and educators. And today's session is more exciting because we have our special guests with us from UK. So let me introduce myself really quick, those who are joining new. So my name is Reshma Honab. I'm a Google certified trainer and founder and leader of GEG Pune. So I welcome all of you again, and let's invite our guest today. So we have Suan Kemp. Hi, Suan.
Hello.
And thank you, Suan, for joining us. And Suan is a teacher support specialist from Book Creator. So the session that we are going to have today about how to create digital books, she is a wonderful person who can answer all your questions. So Suan, please tell us more about it and what Book Creator is.
Sure. Yep. So I'm Suan Kemp. I'm from Bristol in the UK, and it's actually most of the team are based in Bristol in the UK. Book Creator was originally founded in the UK, even though lots of people think we're from America. Book Creator was created by the chief executive because he had a son, his eldest son, struggled with reading and writing. And himself and his wife wanted to help his son to, be able to create just like all the other kids in his class. And so that's why Book Creator came to be. And over the years, it's kind of evolved into what it is now. And for those of you who are new to Book Creator, it really is what it says. It allows children, students and teachers to create books. It gives lots of different ways of writing books. So it can be traditional typing, it can be using your voice, it can be recording a video, all sorts of things, which I'm sure you'll learn about in this video. But I'm the teacher support specialist. I've been a Book Creator for about 3 years. If you have any questions about the app, then feel free to ask me. And I'm sure we'll put my email in at some point so that if you do need to contact me, then you can do.
Wonderful. Thank you, Suan. And we look forward to a wonderful session from our guest, our session expert today. That is Nidhi Bajaj. Hello, Nidhi ma'am.
Hi, how are you?
I am good. I am good. And thank you. Thank you for using Book Creator basically and showing us what each subject teacher can do about Book Creator. And when I saw your book on Twitter, I said, oh, this is wonderful. Why don't we call Nidhi ma'am to showcase how to do it? Because I think a user can actually show people how exactly it goes because the user has actually gone through the whole process. So thank you so much. And a little bit about Nidhi that I would like to tell everyone that is present here is Nidhi has been working as a mathematics teacher for over 2 decades in middle school with Bal Bharati Public School in New Delhi. She has been shortlisted as one of the top teachers in North India for excellence in math in NDTV Education Awards, and recently she has been shortlisted among the top 100 teachers in LEADSE Teacher Awards for her outstanding work during the pandemic. So we are excited to learn a lot of things from you. And she says that her passion is exploring mathematics and finding different ways to teach her students. And I know mathematics can be the most boring or sometimes the most hardest subject for anybody in the world. So finding an innovative way of doing it is great. She's also a Google certified educator and a Book Creator certified author. So welcome, Nidhi ma'am, and we look forward to a wonderful session from you.
Thank you, Reshma ma'am. Thank you so much. And thank you so much for a wonderful introduction. And I am just overwhelmed. And this is a wonderful, wonderful tool. And that's why I really wanted to bring it to many educators. It's wonderful tool and it can be used throughout all the grades and for all the subjects. And I started using Book Creator when I came across this in one of the CBSE workshops, and I just created a very simple book there. And then when during one of the GEG sessions, I attended one of the workshops, and then from there it was no looking back. So I really wanted to reach out to many educators. Yesterday also I took sessions with my students, and they just loved it. So it's a wonderful, wonderful thing.
Awesome, awesome, awesome. We look forward, and let us go ahead and start with our session. Nidhi, we will be
Perfect.
backstage. Anytime you need help, just give us a call and we will pop in.
Sure. Sure.
Okay, all the best. And while everybody is waiting, I just wanted to give you a, 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 a nice, exciting news that Suan gave me yesterday, that she would be giving out to uh, uh, audiences, anybody who is selected through a raffle, premium upgrades for Book Creator. So that is very exciting. That is a paid feature, and that is only available to selected educators. So one of them is going to our session expert, but we still have two more left. So stay with us. I will be sending out a form in our chat. So feel free. It's a very small form, just with your name, email ID, and your city and country. Just fill that out, and we'll do a quick raffle at the towards the end of the session. Okay, so I'm
That's a great
ready.
news.
Let's.
That's a great news, ma'am, and it will definitely motivate other people to use this wonderful, wonderful application.
Yes. Okay, let's start.
Yeah,
And all yours.
yeah. So you need to tell me whether my screen is visible. Is my screen visible?
Yes, it is visible. Nidhi, can you hear me?
Yeah. Can you
Yeah,
hear
it is
me?
visible. Yeah,
Yeah.
it is
Okay. Thank
visible.
you. So, hi, good evening, everyone. I'm Nidhi Bajaj. I am Nidhi Bajaj from Balbhati Public School, Gangaram Hospital, Mang, New Delhi. And I'm so excited to use this book creator app that I really wanted to share it with all my colleagues around the uh, around from everywhere in India. So, what is Book Creator? Now, Book Creator is an online application. Book Creator is an online application where you can create, read, and publish books. Even your students can do so. And they can be used for all the subjects and for all the grade levels. You can create lot many interactive books. So about the features of Book Creator, the Book Creator is a freemium tool. When I say it's a freemium tool, that means you have a free version, free account, and you can also have a paid account for it. Now, many features are available. Many features are available on the free. No, many features are available on freemium account as well, like with you can create uh, you can create interactive books using your text, video, images, and voice. And it is both available on iOS and Chrome. In fact, it was first launched for iOS and then it came on Chrome. And there is a collaboration feature also available, but it's available on the paid plan. But very soon they have given a 90-day free trial for it. Earlier it was 14-day free trial, but now you can collaborate for 90s days free trial. And then you have a possibility of getting your books remixed. And you can also see how many uh, reads it your how many times your book has been read. Now paid plan has many features. You get 1,000 books and unlimited libraries and many other features. So, Book Creator can also help you address a wide range of curriculum goals, whether it is reading, writing, visual representations, speaking, and then listening. And it is applicable for all the subjects. You can use it in all the subjects you want to. And it is very helpful for uh, the students who find it difficult in reading the books. You can use the speaking and listening activities there. And very interactive books can be created. You can also make your students ready for future ready skills like critical thinking, collaboration, communication, creativity, and more. So with using Book Creator, you can create learning resources. In fact, you can even create birthday albums, and you can create comics too. You can create interactive stories, digital portfolios, and research journals. Amazing tool to create instruction manuals about me books and poetry books. These are some of the books that I have cited here. Very, very good books. I've read them myself. Beautifully created by teachers as well as students. So it is used for all grade levels. As you can see, it is used for computer science. It can be used for art and crafts as well. So these are some of the books which I would like to show. This was the very first book which I created for myself. This was my first hand-on trial where I just took the image of my notes created for my students, and I just put them as image. This was my first book. So I had just made some PDF, converted them into image format, and then I just inserted the image because I was very new to Book Creator, and then I just inserted the PDF. So PDF comes here in this way. Also, this is the book. This is my latest book. You can already see it has 1,301 reads, and it is what in a span of 10 to 12 days. And it has beautiful read to me feature. You can open the books on your mobiles too. So if you say read to me feature, then all these audios. Hi, I am a quadrilateral. I am a four-sided polygon. Let me. So all these features just you can just add a link where you can connect to any site if you want interactive sites. This is how it works. So before we start creating the books, there are a few steps that you have to keep in mind. First is, what is your objective of creating the book? First is your objective. What is the objective? What's happening? What is your objective of creating the book? Whether you want to create a story or whether you want to create a learning resource material or a birthday album, you should be clear about it. Then you should do all the planning. What kind of a story you should have written a story. You should be ready with your script and everything. I don't know what.
I think that is okay. You're doing great, Nidhi ma'am.
No, but I don't know what's happening because
I think every time you click next, it's going back to your
no,
presentation.
I am not touching the laptop only.
Okay.
I am not doing anything, so I don't know what's happening. So anyway, you need to plan your what do you want to create in a book, and then comes the research work. Now, I prefer doing research work because it saves a lot of time. Whatever book you want to create, you should be ready with your story idea. I am not touching my laptop. I don't know what's happening.
That's fine. That's fine. You're doing great.
Okay. So then comes the research part of it. Research is you should be ready with what images you want to use, and what is the planning that has to, what is the all the text and everything you should keep ready with you. And then comes the creation part of the ebook. You should then start creating your book, and then your mission accomplished. So, without further ado, let us walk through this beautiful application. So, for going to create a book, you have to go to bookcreator.com. Okay, when you go to bookcreator.com, it will open to this screen, and you have to create a free account. Okay. Now, when you go to free account, it will say students. By default, the student sign in is there. So if you want to go it for students, you have to create libraries for students. And I'm just logging in. I'll not do go further. I'll just show if a student wants to sign in, then student sign in with Google. So it will say join your library. Now this code, you will be provided by you to the students. So now for now, I will be doing it as a teacher. So I go to teacher sign in with Google. And I'll choose one of my accounts. You don't have to create any password for it. Nothing is required. So it will take, so you will land on this page where where it will show you that you have no books in the library. And then you go to the hamburger here, lines here, you will see this teacher dashboard. Now when you see this teacher dashboard, it has my books where the teacher can create her books. She will not get a code for this. She cannot share it with the students here. So create a new library. So then you have to create a new library. When you click it, create a new library, it will ask you to name it. Naming it as Let's Explore. Now, there are few settings which have to be checked on. Allow image search, because you want your students to create books. Obviously, they would be needing the images. Then you have students can edit their own books. Obviously, it has to be checked in. And students can read each other books. That's a very good feature that should be allowed, because then the students, can read each other's book and can get ideas from other books also. Students can publish their own books. By default it is closed, so you should be also keeping in mind that it should be preferably kept on off mode, because I think as an educator you should have a look we should have a look first what the students are creating before publishing. So we create a library here. So it will, in the free version of Book Creator, we just get one library, permission for one library, which has around 40 books. And if you want to create a new library, then you have to first archive all the books which are published in the your earlier library will be there. They will not be deleted, but it's just archived. So at one time you can just go through one library at a time. So I'll click this. So it will take me to this page, and now you can see that it has show invite code. Now when you click invite code, it will generate a code here. Reshma ma'am, if you can just copy down this code, I would like to, share it with teachers at the end of the demo so that they can
Sure.
create a page.
So are they supposed to join the book right now or later?
They can.
Okay, so I will be posting the code in our chat, and
Yeah,
the teachers can log in with using the code.
exactly.
Okay.
Thank you. So you can expire this code at any point of time you want to. So now I'll start creating the book. So I'll click on new book here, and it will ask us to choose a book shape. Now if you see that there are blank books and templates. Now if you are running short of time, if you want to create some material and you don't have that much of time, you can use their already available templates, which are great templates. and they are editable. You can just use them and put your material as you want. For now, I will be going with blank books. Now, if you see that we have six formats available here, I will be showing you they have portrait, square, and landscape, portrait comic, square comic, and landscape comic. Now, I will be showing what is the difference between a plain, normal, and a comic format of these. So, first, I'm clicking on normal without the comic feature. So, when I click, the first page is my cover page. Now, if you see that, if I'll just get a plus button here, plus is where you add an item to your pages. It is always used for item to your pages. I is for inspector. It is basically a format tool. It is a formatting tool. So when you go to add button here in the normal landscape form, you will just get media and shapes here, and there are little less features than a comic version of it. And if you go to inspector, if I want to change the format of my cover, you will see that I do have comics here, but then only I can only change the panel here. So what I'm doing is right now, I am going to go my books again, and I will create a new book here. So I'll create a new book here and I'll take landscape comic. So when I take landscape comic, now if I add an item here, now can you see that we have media, comics? Earlier it was not reflecting, and shape. And when comics is highlighted, I can see a lot of other tools. I can see panels, speech, thought bubbles, text, and stickers. These features are not available in the normal landscape and other modes. So I prefer doing it on comics. So today I will be doing it on comic mode only. So I want to, just format my cover page. So I'll go to inspector, and inspector again is a formatting tool, and you can pin this page. You can pin this inspector. So every time you want to format, you don't have to click I again and again. So you can pick so there are a lot of formats available here. You can choose anything. You can choose any one of these. You can choose the borders. I'll show you can choose the colors. And these are not the only colors. You can choose it from the color palette here. And then you have paper. Obviously we will not be, though it's very dull, so we will not be using here on our first cover page. And you have borders here. So there are a few borders which can be just done on one side, and there are a few borders which can be taken on all the four sides. So I'll just go back to change my cover. I'll choose one of these. And now I want to add title to my book. So when I want to add title, obviously I'll go it in text and I'll choose title. Now when I go title, Book Creator is an amazing tool where you can speak and it will type automatically. It can recognize many languages, many Indian regional languages as well, be it Hindi, be Gujarati, Marathi, and so many more. So if I click on my speaker, you can see it is typing Gujarati. So I'll just stop it here. I'm not taking that one. So I'll choose English here. You can also type. Let's create together. So I'll just delete what I don't want. So you have to click on done. So now I want to format this text. Now, since I had I had pinned my inspector tool. So by default, the formatting tool is already open. So to format the tool, I can make it bold. I can make it bold. I can center align it. I can change the font. Now, there are so many fonts available here. There is an open dyslexic form, which is a scientifically uh, approved text for children with special needs. It's easily readable. So I'm taking that one, and I can decrease the font a little bit, and I'm good to go. I can change the color of the. Now I want to insert my cover page. So I want to insert an image here. So I'll go to add a item here, go to media, and then import. Import helps you to uh, insert the images, videos, maps, files, Google Forms, etc. So I go to media, import, and there are few options available here. You can use in their own search engine, which is images are already some images are there, and then you can embed a map there. You can upload it from files, is you can upload it from your own device. It can access your drive as well. If you give the permission, you can embed any of the uh, tool here, link and video here. So I'm just typing, so creating together. So when I say creating together, I can choose this image, but looks perfect for me, and I go for add. So I'll get this my image here. So my cover page is ready, looks good. To go to the next page, I'll just click this arrow button here, and I'll go to the next page. Now, when you open any book, page number 2 and 3 will normally open together when you open a book. So it's my it's my advice. Better to use the same format on page number 2 and page number 3. It looks good. So I can again choose any of the formats here. Suppose I choose this, and then I want to add some element to it. Now, the comic has very important, very nice feature, which is panels. A lot of panels are available. If you have uh, read comics books, I'm sure you might have. So beautiful panels are available in comic feature. So I'll just choose this panel, and now I want to insert an image here. Now there are two ways to insert an image. First, when you click this panel, if you click this panel, there is a lock button here. Now, lock button, you can even unlock your panels to, slightly move them. I'll just show you, and then I'll show you how to insert an image and what is the difference between the two. So you can unlock your panel here. So when you unlock your panel here, you can move this panel. Otherwise, and then when you lock it, it will not move. Now I cannot move. So when I want to insert an image and I click on panel, these two icons will be there. I can either click my own picture, or I want to insert a file here. So what about creating a virtual tour to Taj Mahal? And Taj Mahal was built by Shah Jahan. So I'll just click on, and I'll when you do go from there, it has just three options: drives, images, and files. So I'll go to files, and already I have done my research work. It saves a lot of time. So when you do it within the panel, it will take the perfect positioning. And if you want to move your image a bit, now if you can see that it's written allow me stock photo, which doesn't appear good to me. So I'll click on these 4 arrow sign. If I want to delete, I will go to this. And if I want to move my picture, I'll just go on this 4 arrows key, and then I can move my picture. So here I have removed that. Now I can increase the size from here, move little bit here, and now it looks perfect. So now the picture will not be movable, and even the template is not movable. Now I want to find the location of Taj Mahal. Where is it? So I'll go to my plus sign here because I want to add an element. Book Creator has a map feature too in import. So I go to maps feature, write Taj Mahal, Agra, and add. Now, whatever, if you do, if you're inserting an image or a map, it will not fit into panel as the earlier one. Oh, I did something wrong though. I'll do this again. No, this doing something. So, so it is showing Taj Mahal. It is showing Taj Nature Walk, and I'll just add this, and I can embed here. And now I want that whenever I click this, it should take me to the official site of Taj Mahal. So I want my student to click this image map, and so I just want to give them instruction that they should click here. So what I'll go is go to media import, and I'll write click here. When I right click here, it will give me a few options of clicking buttons. So I'll take one of these and add. So I'll just put this click here button in some corner here. Now, when I do this click here button, can you see the button on the right? It is asking me if I want to link it to the hyperlink here. So I want that it should go to the Taj official site. So I have already taken that website. I'll just control C and paste that link here, control V, and it's done. Now I can add a text here saying that let's visit to Taj Mahal. Now I've chosen caption option because then it will come in a box. And now I'll show you. So if you take आओ ताजमहल चलें. So I'll just do this and I'm done. So it will be here. So you can increase this caption box. Now again, since it was pinned, I can center align, I can increase the font, I can even change the background of this caption box. So background is by default white here, I can change it to yellow. Now I want that I should have a virtual tour of Taj Mahal, so I can embed a YouTube video here. So how do we do that? So we go again to let me search for it. I'm just showing it once because I want to show everybody how do we search for link and how do we copy paste here. So YouTube, I'll go to YouTube. So it will show, I'll write animated Taj Mahal. Okay. So suppose I like this one. So I'll just open it and copy the link from here and switch it off. And now when I want to embed here, so I'll go to add an item, media, import, and then embed. When you do embed, you can put your URL link here and confirm. Now you can change the title if you want. I am just letting it go. So I add this and my video is already here. So it will, when you read the book, it will automatically be played. So let's go to another page. So we have done how to attach a hyperlink. We have done how to embed an audio. Let's see some amazing features of Book Creator in further page. Again, I told you second and third page should all look almost like same. So I'm choosing the same panel, same format. And I want to talk about digestive system here. So very quickly, I'll just write title as digestive system. Done. Place it here. Now I want to embed an image of digestive system. So I'll type here digestive system. Digestive system. You don't have. So it is showing me these pictures. If I'm not finding any good picture here, I can try Google search here. And this is good one. So I'll take this one and add. Again, here I have not chosen a panel picture because I want to insert a text here. I want to show how to insert the text when you're copying and paste and it's a bigger text. So now I want to add my text here. So I'll copy my text. It's a little bigger text. So that's why I wanted to show you how to go about it. So I go to text, add element, text, normal text, and I say Control V. Done. Now, if you see that this is coming like this. So even if I put it here, I can do is I can first make it bold and I can put it in columns like the way we see in our textbooks. I can put it in columns. So it's I'm taking in two columns. So the moment I do it in two columns, it will fit in. So this is how we can insert the bigger text. So next feature is again one of my favorites, and we can reach out to the maximum audience with these two features, and I really loved it. Use most of them in my book. So first one is the Bitmoji. It's like Bitmoji. It's not a feature of Book Creator, but it is compatible with Book Creator. The link to how to create your Bitmoji avatar has been posted in YouTube chat. So Bitmoji is where you can create your own avatars. And suppose I want to take this one. So you can easily just click on there and just drag and drop here. Okay, perfect. That's, I don't look like this, but that's my avatar. So, okay. So as you can see, I am singing. So I'll try to record my voice first, but let me put some stickers to make it a. So I'll put this sticker here, and now I'll record my voice. So go to media. It's a very, very beautiful, especially when you are reading a book on mobile. It's a great feature because if you're typing too much of text, then it, so I can just go to record feature. I can start recording. गुरु गोविंद दोनों खड़े काके लागू पाए बलिहारी गुरु आपनो गोविंदियो बताए. Now if you want to listen to this, you can use, or you can use the recording. So I'm using the recording. If you want to delete, if you think that it's not good, so you can delete it and record again, but I'm using the same recording. So I say use recording, and this will pop up. Now when this pop up and you want to put it here on this sticker, make sure when it is highlighted, you do it in front. You can do it by right clicking also. You can click it right and you can move to front, or it is available in the inspector version also. So since it is pinned, so it is very easy from there. So I say front. Now when I say in front, I can just put it here. Now again, I want my students to listen to this. Kai baar it just get ignored. So I'll go to text, and I can. इसे सुनिए. I'll just do done here, and I will put it here. I'll just increase the font size, and good. Again, the teachers can connect to their students. They can record themselves live. Media, go to media. Then you can click on camera. It can take your picture and record your video. So I'm recording a video. प्रस्तुत दोहे में कबीर दास जी कहते हैं कि अगर गोविंद, अगर गुरु और भगवान आपके सामने खड़े हो तो हमें किसके पैर छूने चाहिए? हमें गुरु के पैर छूने चाहिए, क्योंकि वो ही हमें भगवान तक के जाने का रास्ता दिखाते हैं. Stop the recording and you can use the video. Now by the time it is uploading my video, I can go on to the next page. I'll come back to this again to say one
wonderful, Nidhi ma'am. Like it was so nice
now
to
this
even
is
see
my
this.
another page. This is my another page. So if I want, I can change the format, any format if I want to, or you can keep the same as you wish for. So I am choosing this one. So I think I don't need to put any templates here. So I'm just going like this. Now a book creator has a facility where you can link. You can make it really interactive by linking it to other educational sites. I'll just show you how to link that. So you can link it to GeoBoard, so any of the interactive sites. Kids really have fun in this. So I think all the educators, all the teachers, all my friends must use this tool. Amazing. I'm just a big fan of it. And try your hands on to it. And I'm today a teacher in my school. Uh, just tried this book, and amazing, he recorded his voice and then he played the music in the background on his mobile, and it has come out so beautiful, amazing. So I'll just go back because I want click here feature again. So I'll just click on this, control C from here, and go back to this, and I'll insert it here. Now if you see, it is again showing Taj Mahal dot. So I'll go to my research, where I've already done this. So I'll copy the link and I will paste it here. Perfect. Now, what I want my students to do here, and I have to explain them. I will not be available there when they're reading this book. So I can just give a small instruction here. Now, if I type anything here, it won't be visible. So what you can do is you can use speech bubble, thought won't be appropriate here. So you can take any of the shapes. You have different shapes also available here. You can insert any of the shape here. If you want to, you can also use the text box, you can also use the caption, anything. I just wanted to show you that there are a lot many shapes available also here. So you can insert the shape and then you can just put the text over it. So I'll take that. Find the properties of quadrilateral using GeoBoard. So whatever corrections you want to do, you can do right here, and done. So I can just reduce the size here, bring it to front. And just write it here. Now again, book creator, you can insert anything from your site. You can insert any test evaluating part also here. So let me, so I want to give a test. So let me make it a fun element before so that they don't have a stress. So let me write it's exam time. So it's create. Okay, fine. So I can choose it. I can drag it from here. So by the time it's uploading, you can insert your, it's taking time. Okay. So I've just put it's exam time here. So it's exam time, just a fun element so that the students are not, learners are not tensed. So smiley avatar will help them. I'll go to media, import, and then go to drive. It will ask you to connect to your account. So it's very, very safe. Whichever drive I want to select, I can. I'm choosing one of the tests created by me. And we are all aware of how to do this. We have been using it quite often. And here. So we have done from Google Drive as well. So now we next page. Now an amazing, amazing tool here is the pen tool. Now, especially it is very, very easier for especially the maths teachers, because when you text, when you type something in fractions in text, it won't be possible. So what you can do is you can make use of pen here, and with the touch screen, it is with stylus, it is all the more easier. So what should I draw? Let me think. And before, let me think first, let me put a thinking emoji. What about, so I can just put my thinking emoji here, thinking avatar here, and then can go to comics, and I can also use my thought bubble. Oh yes, amazing. So what should I draw? So I can change the color. I can change the color of this thought bubble. Let me put this. And in this thought bubble, you can type directly. What should I draw? Now, if you see there, for text settings, you can just change from here, and you can increase, you can change the font you want, and you can do that. So when you go to plus button and you go to media, so there is a pen tool. Now when you press the pen tool, you get these many options. So if you want to write something, very good with the touch screens and everything. One thing more, though you can read the book on mobiles, creating a book on mobile with book creator is not possible, because you need a bigger screen to create a book. So I'll just choose pen here, and I can write this as 4 by 5. And if I want to, this is a paintbrush coloring tool. If I want to highlight, I can use that too. So I can change the color, and if I want to highlight, I can highlight this. One very amazing tool for people like me is the auto tool. So if I take the auto tool, it is very intelligent. So I want to draw. Okay. So it says, do you want to draw something like this? So I said, yeah, I wanted to draw a star. So it will turn into a star. Then I close it. It has a fill tool. So let me change the color to show you the effect. So it is a fill. There is an eraser if you write something, and this is a fill tool. So you can just write it here and here. It will fill it. And then the best part of it, there are so many emojis with we all using Telegram and WhatsApp, I think we are very proficient in this. Perfect. So we do is now all these things which I created there will be uploaded as a file here. And we are good to go with our book. So last page, I'm taking the same one as I started. One thing you should always keep in mind that your book should end always at an even number. And I love putting Bitmojis. Just love it. So you're good to go. Now, when your book is done, let me see. Perfect. Now I have to arrange this first. Perfect. Now let's see how our book looks like. So when you want to play your book, you have to go to arrow button here on the top right. So when I play this book, it will also say read to me.
Let's create together. Taj Mahal.
So you can see that it is auto flipping and it is reading, and it won't read anything written in Hindi because it doesn't recognize that. So if you click this, it will take me to official site of Taj Mahal, and it will play. If you click this, it will play the video here.
The Taj Mahal is a mausoleum located in Agra.
And when you do read to me option, all these will autoplay. Only the thing is, it will not read your Hindi text, but it will autoplay all these things like video. You have to click, and these audio signs, and then it will autoplay. So I'm just see if no, there is too much of text. That's why I can't do that. गुरु गोविंद दोनों खड़े काके लागू पाए बलि। प्रस्तुत दोहे में कबीरदास जी कहते हैं कि अगर गोविंद, अगर गुरु और भगवान आपके सामने खड़े हो तो हमें किसके पैर छूने चाहिए? Okay. So you can link to side here. You can go to Geoboard, and it will go to Geoboard. And integers, then the child can take the test. And this is how. Now, once you are through with your book, how to share, how to publish this. Now, there is a share button when you play the book. There is a share button which pops up on the menu bar. You have to just click it. You have to just click it and publish it online. So you have to get the title. I'll just give the title. Who can find this book? Now it is public. If you don't have any content that you don't want to share with the everybody, so you can publish it online. Like I have done it with Family of Quadrilaterals. Otherwise, you can do it private. Private, I'll show you what will. It also allows you to remix. It allows you to remix. By default, this is off. But when you allow remix, this you can allow the people to make a copy of your book, and then they can keep on adding. But nothing will happen. No changes will be shown to you until and unless they will share. They will publish their book and they will share it online. So you can publish it online. So I'll switch it off, save changes. I'll copy link. Link has been copied, and I can share it with the people I want to. Now, I know there is time is almost going to be over. So there are a few very good features here. I'll just show you quickly. When you go to the teachers, I can see so many books. Let me come back to this. You can combine these books. Like I have so many books here. import book to any of the library. I can move my books to any of the library. I can copy the book. I can combine the books. Like when students, since collaboration is available with the paid version. So what we can do is we can ask the child to create a book of 2 pages, and when they are good to go, so I can combine all the books. So thank you so much. That's amazing. So I can just choose all these books. And if someone has created in a portrait mode, and it will take it in a landscape automatically, I will combine all these books and I will give, that's good. And create a book. So it will take some time to create a book. Let me quickly come back to the teacher's dashboard. Now, when you go to teacher dashboard, you will see libraries. You will discover a lot of material is available here. A lot of books are available for all the grades and for all the subjects. I recommend reading these books. Amazingly created and beautiful books have been created here. You can also learn about Book Creator here. All the tools and everything, all your queries can be solved here. You can also become a book creator certified author. You can view this course here. It's a 1 hour long course and I've already done it. So, okay, so our book is ready. So I'll just quickly play it. Thank you so much. Amazing. So I've combined it in one go. So some of the pages are still, and this is the book which was created by me. I hope that's all from me on my side.
Yeah, hello, Dr. Vishal. Welcome.
Yeah, thanks, Reshma ma'am. Rindhi ma'am, it was really a wonderful session. I really loved watching you. I've just studied every of the portion that you've just shared with us. Your expertise, I mean, it's brilliant. And my salutations to the teacher within you. You've really very well explained and very well, you've concise the examples. You've taken a very step-by-step demonstrations. Really brilliant.
Thank you.
So congratulations. Thank you very much for coming up with us.
Yeah, thank you, Nidhi ma'am. And it was amazing. The last thing that you showed was combining all the books. Like even I have tried creating few books, but I have never tried this feature. So that was amazing. Like I just started imagining like how we can use it in the classrooms. Like all the students are creating it, and then you combine it together as a great resource that can be used.
Exactly.
Right,
you
Suhan?
divide the chapter you can divide the topics of the chapter among the group of students, and they can just work on, and then you can combine. It's a great feature.
So I think that is a feature that one would learn, once you become a book creator author, certified author. So we need to go through it. Yeah.
Yes, yeah. So any tips that you would like to give? And you saw how Nidhi, like she learned herself, and then she's helped other teachers with the basic features, so they can at least start with something that they are thinking. Any tips that you would want to give to our teachers?
I mean, I think Nidhi did a great job explaining a really good overview of all the features we have. Nidhi did outline, the differences between our free account and the upgraded account. And what I would say, Nidhi said that there's a 90-day trial of the collaboration feature, which is true. It still applies. We brought that in. It used to be 14 days free trial, and now it's 90 days because we know the world is still coping with the pandemic. There's still a lot of remote learning going. And what the collaboration feature enables is that multiple students can work on the same book at the same time. So if you have, a class of children working on a science project and you want them to be in groups of five groups of 5 kids working on one book about our digestive system, you can select in the app. You can say, actually, I want these 5 children to work together, and only they can edit that book. And that's quite a nice way of developing some team working skills and just to see something come together, from a group rather than on their own. And as Nidhi also showed, the combined book feature is a really good way of allowing you to manage your library space. On the free plan, like Nidhi said, you have one library where you can store up to 40 books. So if you want to maximize that, and let's say all of your 30 students created a book about fractions, and then you've used 40 books, you can combine all those 40 books into one book, and that will be a combined class book, and then you have 39 more books to use. You know,
Exactly.
so yeah, I would say they're quite
That's
good.
that's a lovely feature.
Yeah, that's great. That's great. So, and what is the difference between the premium, like whatever icons she was using, whatever little tools she was using? Does the premium has more of those things?
So the main feature of the premium subscription is that you have more books, of course, and more libraries. So you have unlimited libraries, and you can create up to 1,000 books. So of course, if you are a teacher and you have 500 students, it's better to have the premium. But we do have some nice extras as well. So, for example, I can't remember if Nidhi showed. She did show where she had a book, and she could show you that 2,000 people had already read that book, which is really amazing, right? If you imagine from a student's perspective, they've written a story and they're like, "Oh wow, 50 people have read my book." It gives them a real audience, you know, not just mum and dad, not just my teacher, but you know, people around the world. And on the premium upgrade, what is even more interesting is you can see a map around the world where each reader is. So I could say, oh, Nidhi's book was not just read in India. It was read in the United States. It was read in Canada. It was read in Sri Lanka. You know, it will show you. And I think it gives that little extra element for kids to be like, wow, I'm an international author. You know, it's pretty cool. You also get things. Sorry, go on.
My book, my Family of Quadrilateral has been read in 6 countries, but I know the premium feature can tell me in which exact city and which part of the world. But it just shows 6 countries, and if I upgrade my plan, so it will show in which city it has been read. So it's an amazing feature, and it gives you a lot of motivation as well.
Yeah.
Excellent. That's great. So I already posted the form for our premium feature, and I know we are just running out of we have already crossed our time, so I don't want to ask to people to wait more. So I'm just sharing my screen so that we can have a quick raffle. So our first premium feature that Book Creator has been gracious to give it to our teachers. The first one is going to go to our session expert today. And because she did a wonderful job. So congratulations, Nidhi ma'am. And the other two, thank you all for filling in the form to be a part of the raffle. And I'm just going to spin the wheel twice, and we'll see who get it. And we will contact you back on your email ID that you provided. And Swan will let you know about your code and your feature, and we'll take it further from there. So let's spin the wheel.
Gurjit Kaur, yay.
Okay, our first winner is Gurjit Kaur, ma'am. So congratulations, and you're our first winner. And let's spin it again.
Harpreet, ma'am.
Harpreet, ma'am. Congratulations.
Congratulations, Gurjit and Harpreet, ma'am.
Yeah, Tariq, sir, you missed it a little bit, but yes, we will try it out. It is amazing. And if your school also wants to use it, Book Creator has great plans for schools and districts. So it will be wonderful to just explore the tool more and learn more about it. Any questions, feel free to reach out to me, Dr. Waria, or Swan. And Book Creator is amazing in communication. So great webinars also. So I have attended few webinars. And if you are a trainer and an innovator, a Google certified trainer innovator, you already have a free upgrade. So Dr. Waria and myself and other trainers, we already have a free upgrade. So thank you so much, Swan and Book Creator. So
thank you so much, Reshma ma'am, Vishal sir, and Swan.
Thanks to Nidhi ma'am for this. Yeah, thanks to Nidhi ma'am for this wonderful session, and thanks to Anne for joining us today and sharing your time with us.
No problem.
Wonderful.
Yeah,
Thanks,
and all
everyone.
the winners, we will get back to you. We'll be in touch with the email on the email ID that you provided. And thank you so much all for attending, and we'll see you soon next week. So we have a GEG Level 2 bootcamp coming up from GEG Ahmedabad and Pune. And our mentors are amazing. They are all GEG leaders from all around our country. They are certified educators. So we all look forward to seeing you there next week.
I've
Thank
already
you.
registered. I've already
Excellent.
registered.
Excellent. And thank you so much. Have
I
a
will
good
be
evening.
student there. I will be a
Goodbye.
student.
Bye.
Bye.